Okay, you guys, this is part of our little next YouTube video. I did buy this Wen 4280 bench grinder. I did reverse the motor. In my previous video I discussed some of that. I did buy this multi-tool 2x36 attachment. It works very good. I do have one high side on the plating. Don't know if you can see that right about there. I guess it's got to be sanded down a little bit. Other than that, it's pretty smooth. I'm trying to figure out if I can put something on the belt to quiet it down, because it's a little noisy when you put the belt on there. Not sure what I'm going to do about that, because I would like it to be quieter. Okay. I also want to make an arm that attaches to this bolt here. It's going to come up here, the slight angle, go up here, and then I'm going to bend the second piece and make a little platform here where I can glide the blade across like that. And this is my mock-up. Got this from a very old ruler. No jokes now, please. That is the little circle, and the first hole is going to be in the bottom. That little slot cut out there is going to be for the washer and the nut, which is right there. And then it's going to make the slight curve, and it's going to go straight up. And I'm using the round hole, not the slotted one. The slot is going to go in the second piece down here. When it decides to focus. Okay, maybe I was too close, sorry. We'll go down here, and then this will be a 90-degree bend, will be cut. And since I will be putting the slot in here, will be a slot instead of a hole, I will be able to angle this at various degrees so I can slide my knife over this platform, or this table, some people might call it, and I can get the angle I want. I will be using that guy right there. I will zero it out on this one here, whatever that is, so I can get the correct angle according to this platen right here. I will not be doing an angle, eyeballing it, or on the table. I will be zeroing it out here and go from my whatever it is, 9 degrees up to 30 degrees, and I will be making it with this ruler right here. This is just part one of it before I start cutting it up and breaking it down and drilling it out and putting it together. I don't know how to weld. I can solder or sweat, but I can't silver braze, and I don't know anything about TIG welding or any other kind of welding. So this will be just pretty much a bolt on. Okay, till we get to the next part. top portion is the portion that's going to actually go alongside alongside the machine itself. I'll show you how that goes. I haven't drilled the bottom hole yet because I'm going to attach it with a clamp to drill through the existing hole there, so I line that up real nicely. I don't mess that up. Now here, hopefully you can see that it's going to line up nicely over here, and also a little hard because my fingers went the way. This can be adjusted very easily, just the way I drill the hole in there. Okay?
guys, this is the last part of this video. This is adjustable, serious degrees. I'm talking about no problem, 11 degrees, 10 degrees, whatever, to 20 plus degrees, 30 degrees, which is probably somewhere in the norm, 15 degrees to 30 degrees. And this right here has a big gap in it, so it can move back and forth, up and down slightly, so it's very adjustable. Okay, I'm using this cube here, this digital cube, and I'm zeroing out to the platen, so I get the proper angle according to the platen, so it doesn't matter what angle I have the attachment at. Okay. Okay, you can see this is the arm I made. I had to drill a bolt hole over here, right there. There's a long bolt. It's just temporary setup for now. That's all I got. And I have a nut with a handle here so I can adjust it. Okay, you guys see exactly what's going on here. You kind of saw me put it together. I did put a slightly better mirror polish on here. It's not that noticeable. Let's see if I can get a light and give you an idea. I mean, I might probably just put a piece of tape on there, painter's tape, but you got something to slide over. You can see there's a slight angle right here in between the gap here. Very easy to take a crescent wrench, channel lock, and do a little bending here, finagle it so you can get a better fit. Okay, it was important that I got the 90-degree angle here, and I did it with a level in the shop, and that came out real nice. So this arm needs a little bit of tweaking on here, and that's about it. I'm ready to go. Slide my blades on there and get my angle every time. Okay, very important for me. Also, I can make, or you can make yours where you have a flat table here, and you would be using a jig or something like that, sliding it over if that's what you want. I wanted to go the cheap route, and I didn't want to make a jig, so I guess this is the jig. This is my jig I can use to get my angle. Okay, with combination with the a Sharpie and that magnetic cube with angle finder. I can use that and I'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have one of these, you can make something very simple like I did, very easy. It didn't cost me very much. Serious manpower to get it done, and that's it. Right? Bye.